Mathina maingi mari ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri na makiria ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF na KEMSA makuruhanitio na andu kiumbe aria makoretwo na itanya ria kwiguna o ene. Ino ni miario ya Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri hari uthuthuria uria urathie na mbere wigie honge ici cieri.
The issues that bedevil the health of this country are people related.
NAKUMICHA augite niaranirie na kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC na kumoria manyitanire na bodi ya NHIF niguo gutafanio thuthuria wa uria kigina kia NHIF KIUNGUMITIO AKIUGA gukoretwo na thibitari cia gikiro gia thi maratathini ma NHIF ikoretwo ikionania iraheana motungata maingi ona gukira mathibitari manene.
Of the payments we made this month after having delays from Exchequer for a long time, the top facility to be paid is one that we have suspended.
Na mbere ya gutacokia ikinya ria kuhinga mathibitari manana maria makuruhanitio na kungumia kigina kuma ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF oro undu umwe na kurugamia wira maabitha a NHIF aicigo ici iria thibitari iciri NAKUMICHA augite ni arambite kwaraniria na muikariri giti wa bodi ya NHIF hamwe na murugamiriri munene wa kanju ya guthurima na kunyabara mirutire wira ya mathibitari niyo KMPD.
So within the 24 hours, they ought to have vacated patients to other hospitals. And one of those facilities had the audacity to write back to me and tell me they have over 200 admissions. What do they do?
Na gukinyeria riu thibitari wa Jakim mwena wa Imenti ya Muhuro kaunti-ini ya Meru ni urikitie kuhingwo urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu ukiuga ni uheanite maratathi maria marabatarania hari uthuthuria uria wambikitwo.
We have released the patients, so the patients in want to have been told to release them and suspend services. So we have done that, and now we are waiting for the investigations to be completed.
Na hari gukanjwo gwa kandarathi ya thogora ya neti cia kugitira rwagi ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3.7 ni ruhonge rwa kuheana uteithio wa urigitani Global Fund ni undu wa mitaratara kwaga kurumirirwo. Murugamiriri munene wa ihinda wa KEMSA Andrew Mulwa auma na ihinda iritu gutariria kamiti ino ati we ndanyitire itemi o riothe hari gwika mogaruruku hari mutaratara wa kandarathi ino.
And we can't be surrounded by people lying to us right, left and center, Dr. Muro. Last night, one of the officials from your former department announced left as you directed him right, left and center not to produce the original document you are dead.
I got this document from KEMSA. I was not the CEO for KEMSA. I wrote my document and was forwarded by the PS10 to National Treasury. National Treasury forwarded this document from to KEMSA, the CEO of KEMSA.
Na kumana na Mulwa kuremwo ni gwitaithura hari ciuria cia kamiti ino NAKUMICHA ni aigereire na kuuga Mulwa egukite haririirie gucokia ciuria ta murugamiriri munene wa KEMSA no ti ta murugamiriri wa tene wa mihango ya urigitani.
After the clarification by Global Fund that they are only allowing the purchase of pyrethrin, the evaluation was based on pyrethrin, and therefore the PBO was not included.
Take somebody who has been in charge of claims to go and do a cover-up for the things he's been doing, and you can see we are not out of the woods yet.
NAKUMICHA ni ongereire ati kuri na miario irathie na mbere ya kana ruhonge rwa KEMSA ni ruguthie na mbere kuruta wira wa uheani wa kandarathi kanasha guku akiuga ni haririirie kurunga maundu thiini wa ministry no ya ugima wa mwiri. Urugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa NHIF matine kinya mbere ya kamiti ino makiuga ni mageire na mihango ya hinahi no ni matanyitwo gugekinya mbere ya kamiti ino muthenya wa rucio. Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.